Hey friends of the twins, and welcome back for a little bit of after Christmas / room makeover decorating. Today we are here at my daughter's house, and we're actually here in her dining room. Now this did not start out as a dining room. She's been in this home about 2 years, and it was actually her boyfriend's man cave. And I wish I had the footage to share with y'all the before, but when she found out we were going to do this makeover, she cleared it out so fast. I got so tickled. She was so ready to make a change here in this room. So she quickly booted him out to another space here in the home, and we set about getting ready for a dining room makeover. One thing about my daughter, friends of the twins, is she absolutely loves to cook. She's a wonderful cook. She caters. She bakes amazing desserts, and so she needed a space, to share in her love for cooking. Cooking is definitely her love language. Today's video is actually being sponsored by Tribe Signs. I want to thank them for sending us over her new dining table. Friends of the twins, you all are probably familiar with Tribe Signs by now. Shonda and I have shared their products with you on several other occasions here on the channel. We enjoy working with them. They have beautiful home accessories for any aspect of your lifestyle, and if you hurry, you are just in time to take advantage of their Christmas sales that are going to be ending here shortly. As I was choosing a dining table for her space, I thought about the needs of my daughter and her family. Now, she has a 21-year-old that is in college. She presently has 2 seniors. My grandson, they're twins. They're seniors in high school. So they just turned 18. And guess what, y'all? She has a 3-year-old. Yep. My sweet little granddaughter that y'all hear me talking about all the time. This is her mom. So I knew that what they needed was something that would be convenient for them. A little bit of frou-frou for her, but not too much. More kind of on a casual style, and they needed something that would be easily accessible. I wanted my 3-year-old grandbaby to also, she's just a little lady now, so I wanted her to be able to go in, and she likes to do things on her own. So I ultimately chose this table, and I love the fact that it is this rustic, beautiful brown color, and we have the accent of black going down the middle of the table. And friends of the twins, this one also comes with 2 benches. It is absolutely perfect for this family that is on the go. The twins have jobs, they're into sports, they have girlfriends. The oldest granddaughter is away at college, and then she's home. Just needed something that would be comfortable and accessible to everyone. Now, especially my 3-year-old grandbaby, because she and I, we have to have a space to have our tea parties. I also had to think about the fact that the space here is somewhat limited in the dining room. It's not all that large. This size of table ended up being the perfect size. Now this is a family of 6, and friends of the twins, I feel confident that if needed, we could pull in 2 captain's chairs, and we just might do that once we bring in the final piece for this dining room. And it's actually going to be a buffet. Friends of the twins, the cabinet that you see here is not the final look for this room. I honestly just brought it in for the video. She actually has a larger buffet that is on the way in black, and it is probably at least twice the length of the one that you see there. So once we get it situated, then we will take a final look and assess the final needs of the family. So of course, here is my handy dandy assistant, and you see exactly what I mean. She is able to easily access this dining space, and I absolutely love that for her. When I thought about the color scheme for this room, I wanted something that would give a nod to the winter season, but would also take her right on into spring, because whatever I do here is how it will be until I go back and change it. Friends of the Twins, my daughter, she loves to cook. She is not much on decorating, but she does enjoy having a beautiful, comfortable space. So no worries. I have already told her that me and Sugie expect to be invited to breakfast, lunch, or dinner soon. And I'll do my best to help her with the decorating part. Now, when you look at the scale of the wall art versus the cabinet, it appears that they are merely sitting on top of the cabinet, but in actuality, they are not. I have thought ahead, keeping in mind that this is not the final look for the buffet cabinet. The other cabinet sits a little bit lower than this one, so it will be perfectly fine. I'm actually excited. I can't wait for it to get here. I cannot wait to see it, in the space. And of course, I plan to take you all back and share with you those updates. I love this wall decor. Friends of the Twins, this set of 2 hangings here, I got these years, oh my gosh, maybe 12 years ago. Probably not 15, somewhere between 10 to 12 years ago. I got them from Facebook Marketplace, and I have never shown them to you because they have been in my primary bedroom at my other home, and shortly in the bedroom here in my house that I live in now. But I still love them. I love the colors in them, and that's why I felt that they would be perfect for this winter, makeover. I love the fact that we have the trees in the background and the golden leaves. I think that kind of hints at a little bit of winter. And also the colors in them, the vibrant colors in them also can, like I said, take her right on into the spring. Twinsational wants to take a minute just to say a special hello to 2 of our beautiful friends of the Twins, to Leonie and to London. I've been chatting with you ladies here recently. Y'all, we have the most elegant, the classiest, most beautiful friends of the Twins. We really love and appreciate the community that we have built here. I really do feel like we are all just a bunch of ladies that love home decor and love to make the life that we live a life that we love, because we know that life is short. How many of y'all know that my little assistant has decided that she is going to handle the camera? Warm and inviting. That's what we were going for, and that is what we got. The rustic details of the dining table definitely added the warmth, and then the black. She is just like me. She loves a touch of black, so that was just a perfect combination. She now has an inviting space to be able to present her food, cook her meals for her family, invite her best friend Yetta over, and they can sit in and enjoy a meal and some girl chat. I mentioned earlier that they really are a family on the go. They are always on the move. But she does have plans to at least one day a week, whatever day she deems convenient, most convenient for them. She plans to sit down and they all share a meal together. It doesn't matter whether it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner. The boys, like I said, they are seniors in high school this year, and they will be gone before she knows it. So, she will really cherish these moments that, they were able to sit down and share a meal together. You'd be amazed at what kids enjoy. When you first bring it up to them, of course, they're going to mumble and grumble, but it will definitely be a highlight. I guarantee you they are going to absolutely love it. I don't know if these days people really sit down and enjoy a meal together, but I do know that it is definitely one of the things that my kids still talk about to this day. Now, we didn't eat dinner together every night, but once a week, y'all, I would pull them by their ears and get them to come downstairs, and we all sit and enjoy a meal together. It would be breakfast sometimes, it would be lunch, it would be dinner, it would be on Saturday, Sunday, just whenever, but one day a week. And y'all, they still talk about that to this day. And you know what? Before long, I didn't even have to drag them down to the table. They got used to it and they absolutely loved it. Friends and twins, if that's something that you all have not been doing, y'all try it. Just one day a week. Pull them all together and y'all sit down, and you would be amazed at all of the laughter and the storytelling and just all of the family fun that can come from you just sitting down and taking the time to enjoy a meal together. And now let's talk about the curtains. Y'all, that was my fault. It was totally my fault. It was my mistake. I didn't realize, or I guess I forgot, that she had a bay window. And so, to go ahead and complete the video, I did go ahead and hang those curtains. And you know what? Some of my most creative decorating has come from mistakes. And so since these have already been hung, I have a little something in mind that I want to do to complete that area. And I will definitely share that with y'all when I go over and we put in that final buffet. I do have a little something up my sleeve that I want to try. It's a little bit different, but like I said, some of my best decorating comes from mistakes that I make, and your girl makes a lot of them. With this table, I love the fact that you have this drawer here, and you have these little stickers. Now they have your different screws and your nails that you use for your assembly. You can take those and cover all of your nails. And with that drawer, it is perfect to house a set of coasters. You can also use it to keep your lighter, to light your candles. The verdict is still out as to whether we're actually going to use a rug to anchor this space. We're keeping the 3-year-old in mind. We might just decide to wait till she gets a little bit older. So I want to say a special thank you to Tribe Sons. We appreciate the collaboration. I'm going to have the table linked for you down in the description box below. And like I said, when I come back with the updates with the new buffet, as well as how I plan to complete the window treatment, I will come back and I will share that with y'all. As always, you make the life that you live a life that you love, because life is short. Peace out. We'll see you in the next one.